My fellow citizens, the National Assembly of Zambia is proud to announce that it will host the 56th Plenary Assembly session of the Southern African Development Community Parliamentary Forum, Sadc-Pf, from the 8th to the 15th of December 2024 under the theme Leveraging Technology and Innovation for Smart, Inclusive and Responsive Parliaments in the Sadc region. The event will take place at Radisson Blu in Livingstone, bringing together parliamentarians from across the region to deliberate on critical issues affecting Southern Africa's development, democracy, and regional integration. The Sadc Parliamentary Forum Plenary Assembly is a cornerstone of our region's commitment to collaboration, fostering a platform where leaders from diverse nations come together to engage in meaningful dialogue, share innovative solutions, and align on the principles that unite us. This gathering provides Zambia with a unique opportunity to demonstrate its leadership in promoting regional cooperation while fostering good governance, accountability, and socio-economic progress. As the host nation, we are excited to showcase Zambia's hospitality and commitment to the Sadc values of unity and development. The 56th Assembly is special to us as Parliament as we celebrate 100 years of its existence as a legislature from the first meeting of the Legislative Council that was held on 23rd May 1924. A century dedicated to upholding democratic values, representing our people, and advancing governance within our nation. Over the past 100 years, our Parliament has grown and contributed to the evolving needs of our society. Hosting the 56th Sadc-Pf Plenary Assembly session during this historic year is therefore both a privilege and a fitting reflection of our commitment and resolve to fostering unity and progress within the Southern African community. Let me also take this opportunity to inform the members of the public that starting next year, every 23rd day of May will be commemorated as Parliamentary Day. I encourage fellow citizens to stay informed and engaged by following the proceedings of this important event, which will highlight key policy discussions and resolutions that impact our region. The sessions will be aired through our various media platforms that include Parliament Radio, Parliament Television, the National Assembly of Zambia Facebook page, and the YouTube channel, respectively. Let us proudly support this milestone event as Zambia takes center stage in advancing the Sadc vision of a united and prosperous Southern Africa. I thank you.